Hi, thanks for joining me on Tech with RKM. Today is episode 2 of the Claude/commands series, and we are covering two related commands together, /clear and /compact. Both manipulate your conversation context, but in very different ways. Choosing wrong is the most common mistake power users make. We'll look at what each command actually does to your context, when to use which, and the auto-compaction behavior that runs in the background that you should know about. By the end, you'll understand exactly which command to reach for and why. Okay, let's dive in. 3 things to anchor on. 1, /clear is destructive. It wipes everything. After running it, Claude has no memory of your previous conversation. It's a fresh start. 2, /compact is preserving. It summarizes older messages into a shorter representation but keeps the thread alive. Claude still remembers what was discussed, just less verbosely. 3, auto-compaction is a thing. Claude Code automatically compacts your context when it's getting close to the model's context window limit. So /compact is the manual version of something that happens silently in long sessions. Let me walk through /clear first. You type /clear, press enter, and within a fraction of a second, your conversation history is wiped. The system prompt stays, the tool registry stays, the permission mode stays, but every user message, every assistant response, every tool call and tool result gone. The session itself stays alive, but with 0 conversation memory. The next message you type is treated as the first message of the session. This is genuinely useful in specific cases when you've been pulling at one problem for an hour and the conversation has gotten polluted with dead ends. /clear resets the slate. When you want to ask Claude a fundamentally different question and don't want previous context biasing the answer, /clear isolates it. When you're going to start a long multi-step task and want a clean baseline, /clear is the right move. Now /compact, you type /compact, press enter, and Claude takes your conversation history and summarizes it into a shorter version. Older messages get condensed into a paragraph that captures the key decisions, key code changes, and key state. Recent messages are typically kept verbatim because they're freshest. The compacted summary is then used in place of the full history for the next API call. Your token budget per call drops dramatically while still preserving the substance of what came before. /compact is what you use when you're deep into a long session, your context is starting to feel slow, and you want to keep going without losing thread. Manual control over what would otherwise happen automatically. So in the next few minutes, I'll cover the auto-compaction behavior in detail, the 4 scenarios where each command is the right choice, and the gotchas that bite both commands. Okay, auto-compaction first. Claude Code monitors your context size every turn. When the prompt size approaches the model's context window limit, the system automatically triggers a compaction. You'll see a line in your terminal that says something like compacting context. That's the system invoking the same logic that /compact runs manually, but doing it silently because you would have hit a limit otherwise. The reason this matters is auto-compaction can happen mid-task. If you're doing a long agentic run with many tool calls, the system might silently compact in the middle, and you won't lose the thread, but you might notice the assistant suddenly has slightly less detail about an earlier step. That's auto-compaction at work. Manual /compact lets you control the timing. If you know you're about to do something memory intensive like analyzing a large code base, you can compact first, freeing room for the analysis, better than waiting for the system to compact at an inconvenient moment. Now, 4 scenarios. Scenario 1, you got the answer you needed and want to move on. Use /clear, fresh slate, faster subsequent calls. Don't carry the old context cost into your next question. Scenario 2, you've been exploring a code base for an hour and want to use the same Claude session to do focused work on one file. Use /compact. The exploration history compresses, but you keep the project understanding Claude built up. Switching to /clear here would force Claude to re-explore. Scenario 3, you switch tasks mid-session. You were debugging an API issue. Now you want to refactor a front-end component. Use /clear. Carrying API debugging context into a front-end refactor will confuse the model. Reset. Scenario 4, you see the compacting context line auto-trigger and the response feels slower or less detailed than expected. Don't panic. The auto-compaction preserved key state. Your conversation continues. If you need to recover specific detail that was compacted away, you can either ask Claude to recall it, might be in the summary, or repaste the specific information you need. A few gotchas. First, /clear is irreversible. There's no undo. Once you clear, the previous conversation is gone from this session's working memory. The transcript on disk still exists. You can resume an old session, but mid-session clear is final. Make sure you really want to start over before you type it. Second, /compact is non-deterministic. Different runs may produce slightly different summaries, so the exact way Claude remembers your earlier conversation after compact is somewhat fluid. For mission-critical reproducibility, document important decisions in your code or notes, not just in conversation. Third, compact preserves more recent messages verbatim, but the cutoff is fuzzy. Don't assume the most recent N messages are guaranteed to survive intact. If you've just done something important and want it preserved, mention it again right after compacting to anchor it in the post-compaction context. Fourth, auto-compaction is invisible by default. Look for the compacting context terminal line if you're suspicious. If you want to inspect what the post-compaction context looks like, you can run /files or other inspection commands, a useful pattern. At the start of long sessions, decide upfront which mode you're in. Exploration plus refinement, use compact when long. Multiple separate tasks, use clear between them. Mixed, accept that auto-compaction will fire and don't fight it. Quick recap, /clear is destructive, fresh start, no memory. /compact is preserving, summarized history, conversation continues. Auto-compaction silently does the same as /compact when near the context limit. Choose clear for context switches and starting over. Choose compact when staying in the same task but freeing budget. Both are irreversible in their own way. Tomorrow on the Decoded series, we cover the edit tool, the surgical file editor that lives at the heart of every code change Claude makes. The day after that, /commands episode 3 /init plus /resume plus /exit. The session lifecycle. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment with which command surprises you most. See you tomorrow.